You won't believe what GMC just unleashed for 2026. The Red Jeggernaut isn't just another pickup, it's a beast built to dominate city streets, highways, and even the craziest traffic jams in Asia. Today, I'm going to take you inside, under the hood, and behind the wheel to show why this truck is turning heads and why it might just be the smartest pickup you can own this year. Stick around because by the end, you'll know exactly whether this truck is worth every penny. Starting with the numbers, here in the USA, the 2026 GMC Red Jeggernaut starts at $58,900 for the base model. In Japan, expect to pay around $64,000, and in ASEAN countries, it will hover near $61,000 depending on taxes and import fees. Now, that might sound like a big ticket, but when you look at what this truck delivers, the price begins to make sense. Let's talk fuel. This is where the Red Jeggernaut surprises a lot of people. GMC has improved the engine efficiency dramatically. In city driving, you're looking at about 22 miles per gallon, and on the highway, it jumps to 28. For a full-size pickup with this much power, that's impressive. And for the hybrid model, savings are even bigger. Imagine cutting your fuel costs by nearly a third compared to a traditional gas-only truck. That's money back in your pocket every month, especially if you're commuting in traffic-heavy cities like Manila, Bangkok, or Tokyo. Maintenance is another area where the Red Jeggernaut shines. GMC has simplified parts availability across both the US and Asian markets. You won't be hunting for hard-to-find components, and routine service is straightforward and cost-effective. Insurance is also reasonable given the safety features and solid crash test performance. For a truck this size and power, that's a huge relief for owners who worry about long-term ownership costs. Performance-wise, the Red Jeggernaut feels like a dream on both city streets and highways. The engine produces 420 horsepower, giving you plenty of punch to merge onto freeways without hesitation. In city traffic, the truck's suspension smooths out bumps while keeping you firmly in control. On highways, it cruises effortlessly at 75 to 80 miles per hour, and the adaptive cruise control keeps long drives relaxing and safe. Compared to the Tesla Cybertruck, or even a Toyota Hilux, this truck combines brute power with everyday usability. It's not just fast, it's smart, predictable, and easy to drive. One thing that often gets overlooked is resale value. GMC trucks have traditionally held their value well, and the Red Jeggernaut continues that trend. Strong demand in both the USA and Asian markets means you won't see huge depreciation in the first few years. If you decide to upgrade in 5 years, chances are you'll recover a significant portion of your initial investment. Now let's talk about ownership costs. We've already covered fuel and maintenance, but insurance and parts are also key. Because GMC offers strong regional support, you can get replacement parts in almost any major city in Asia. Insurance is competitive, especially for fleet or family use, and the truck's safety ratings make premiums lower than you'd expect for a vehicle of this size. All these factors make the Red Jeggernaut not just a luxury or performance purchase, but a practical one too. So why is this truck smart for Asian roads and traffic? First, the Red Jeggernaut is surprisingly nimble for its size. Tight lanes and heavy traffic don't feel overwhelming, thanks to excellent steering response and a compact turning radius for a full-size pickup. Second, the cabin is built for comfort in long traffic jams. The seats are supportive, air conditioning is powerful, and visibility is excellent, which is crucial in crowded streets. Third, advanced driver assistance systems, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision alert help reduce the stress of stop-and-go traffic. You really get the feeling that GMC designed this truck with diverse road conditions in mind, from open highways to narrow urban streets in Bangkok or Jakarta. Let's compare briefly to Tesla and Toyota. The Tesla Cybertruck is futuristic, yes, but charging infrastructure is still uneven in Asia, and upfront costs are higher. The Toyota Hilux is reliable, but it lacks the luxury feel, advanced tech, and sheer power that the Red Jeggernaut delivers. GMC has carved a perfect balance: strong engine performance, modern tech, fuel efficiency, and comfort, all wrapped in a package that's ready for both American highways and Asian streets. Inside, the Red Jeggernaut doesn't disappoint. You've got a fully digital instrument cluster, a 12-inch infotainment touchscreen, wireless charging, and premium sound that makes every drive enjoyable. Storage is clever and abundant, so whether you're hauling gear, groceries, or business equipment, it's all within reach. Climate control, adjustable seats, and quiet cabin insulation make long drives comfortable even in humid, traffic-heavy cities. The hybrid model deserves special mention. If you're in a city with high fuel costs or want to cut emissions, the hybrid saves money while keeping the power and torque you need. It's smooth, responsive, and surprisingly quiet, giving you that electric feel without range anxiety. Maintenance is minimal compared to older hybrid systems, and GMC has made servicing easy in Asian markets, so you're not stuck with complicated repairs or expensive parts. In short, the 2026 GMC Red Jeggernaut is not just another pickup, it's a smart investment, a comfortable daily driver, and a performance machine all in one. For buyers in the USA and Asia, it delivers everything you need: reasonable fuel costs, strong resale value, easy maintenance, comfort, and power. And when you compare it to other trucks in its class, you quickly see why GMC has a serious contender on its hands. So if you've been thinking about upgrading your ride, whether for city commuting, weekend adventures, or even light commercial use, the Red Jeggernaut deserves a serious look. It's not just about having a truck that looks good, it's about owning a vehicle that works hard for you every single day, without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into the newest, smartest vehicles hitting the streets. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.